So it's now, let me check, 6:20, right? Galing pa kami sa work. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung white tree. So here we are. These are the family. So we'll bring you inside. I'll catch up with you guys later. Let's go, guys. Let's go, frequenters. Tara, let's go. You have your items with you. This one. Edi kayo na ang mga nakahat.
Thank you.
Thank you. My phone is still there. Thank you. So this is it. We're inside the hotel lobby. Look at this. Very nice. Look at that white illumination. So we're going to check in.
Like a bed.
So,
Looks like this is a bed.
Yeah, it's
Or
a bed.
something.
it's a bed.
Yeah, it looks like a bed.
So we're just waiting to check in.
Yep.
Actually, it's now 6.
Yeah.
A while ago, 3 o'clock, we should have, checked in. But because today is work day for me and your mom,
Yeah.
we're here.
Yeah.
Yes. We're late, but we are excited.
Yeah.
So, can they meet your friends? Roy, this is Roy.
Yeah.
Say hi, Roy. And next, who's next?
I have here
Koromi.
Koromi.
Say hi to the friends in YouTube. Hi. Okay, and this is of course Clara, na wala pang tulog. Ako din, pares kami. Same kami.
We are like friends.
So let's show them more
Yeah.
of
Yeah.
the Chedi Katara.
The lab is really nice.
Okay, we will give you a different clip later. Bye. Let's
I had a
try.
purple beverage before. I had a purple cocktail. Did you know that?
So me and Cara, we will explore more of the Chedi Katara. We're still here at the lobby. My sister, she's still checking right there, somewhere there.
Yeah, there.
There, right? This side, this side. Okay, let's check out more of the lobby.
Yeah, let's. Maybe.
Cheers!
Maybe we can have a jet ski.
Look at that.
Maybe we can have
Look
a
at that,
jet
guys.
ski later.
Boat.
Maybe we can go jet skiing.
Where's the jet ski? No jet ski here.
There.
It's just all boats.
No, that side. You see that side? That's where the jet ski.
Yeah, Katara Beach.
I am in.
Right?
Yep.
So we're heading towards the room. Let's check out the room. We're so excited. Here we are, finally. Let's see.
The complimentary suites from our side.
Yeah.
So from 7 to 9 p.m.
Free design.
Yes, very simple. You can give the call to room service 6800, which is open 24 hours, or to reception, and they will deliver here.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks. Yes, as for my sister, nasa lobby pa rin kami, pero nasa room na pala kami. Look at that. Yes? And this is the best part, tour of the walk-in closet and the bathroom. All right.
The bathroom,
See?
shower.
Look at how intricate are the tiles.
Yeah.
Of course,
And the,
this is a
like
curling. Curling. No.
like a bidet.
Oh, bidet! Look how... Wow, ah. We are speechless.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it looks like a jewelry box, but actually you have your loofah. Yes. Shower cap, vanity kit, sanitary bag, nail file. So that's it. Sponsored by, sino ang kanilang? Sicily Camellia Homes. Body moisturizer. So of course, ayan, may pa-water sila. Water. And still the same. Okay, next. Okay, you have your toilet.
This is the toilet.
The same design pa din.
It looks the same.
So just to tell you more about the interior, it's modern Qatari design. So laging ganito sila. They have this arch.
Yeah.
Mostly, if you remember Central Inn, previously on the previous episode, I featured Central Inn. May mga ganito din sila. So this is typical of their design, interior design. Syempre, meron siyang sliding. See? As you can see. There. And I'll just show them. Sister. Actually, what do you say this? The cabinet is like a walk-in closet. You can fit in here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Approximately 8 people. Ito na, sasara ko na. So, yan. See? And as you enter your room, meron pa rin siyang, how you say this? May separation pa din. Open space, pero may separation. It's a modern contemporary Qatari design siya.
Yeah.
And we like the color tones because this is like cream. Nasa light side siya eh. How do you like explain this kind of design? May pagka parang magnolia.
Parang, hindi. Ang nila, parang Ottoman.
Ottoman.
Saka yung letter B.
That's why, that explains this.
Ottoman.
Oh, see? Ottoman. Huh? So, that's it. It's a good room. It's a good size room. This is their deluxe. Guys, deluxe pa lang to. Of course, meron suites. May family suites. And as you can see, you have your own balcony. It's very spacious. Mainit na po kasi ngayon sa Doha. It's around 40 plus na. That's why it's good to really swim here. So here's the balcony. Good job, sister. She requested this one. Subject to availability.
Hindi na, pero ito talaga yun.
Ito talaga yun. Ito na yung room na nabigay nila. So, yun folks. Then you have your seating area here. As you can see. And this is Katara Beach. There's a pool facing the beach. There. You have your own cabanas. Okay? And this is like a good eye level. I mean, I prefer this floor because It's of course, as you can see, there's third floor. But this one I like because it's just enough. Look, you have the enough elevation. You can like clearly see those people at the ground.
Yeah.
So this is good. Like in cinemas, you have like the eye level. So you have the mix of the city and the old world charm. Old world charm, guys. Can you show me that?
Are you using internet or no?
This is the delights. What do you call this?
Sweet delights.
Sweet delights. Cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake. Okay.
Ano, kaya natin mamaya.
Yeah, dessert natin. So yan ang dessert natin. For later, save for later. And we're back here in the channel. So we finished dinner and now we're about to sleep. And I cannot really raise my voice right now because I'm in the hallway of the rooms. By the way, this is the hallway, the corridors. And every room, as you can see, has their own CDET. Wow, going to the gym and have this nicely all the water you want. Water. Wow. Every equipment has the bottled water, the towel, and all with screens. Wow. Oh, we're still adoring. So hello, I'm back again. I'm now here at the gym. Let me give you a quick tour here at the Chedi gym. As you can see, this is the ladies only gym and they're fully equipped with a lot of water. They even have snacks. I mean, if you're feeling hungry after a workout. So again, all brand new, and they even like put towels and bottled waters in each equipment, and everything is very, very new. And you can like continue adoring the artworks, the pieces here. Still, see, all new. yoga mats. Right? Techno Gym brand. So it's actually now it's 10:30. Let's see. Actually 10:48. And sarado na yung gym. I mean, it's closed, but I think at this time around you can still use it because it's not locked. And I don't know if this has been used. It's dumbbells. And they're all brand new. See? It's the latest ones. I mean, look at that. Imagine you're in a gym, but it's like a venue, a hall. Like you can just take out all of this and you can have a party. It's you are speechless. You're gonna be speechless here. And it's otherworldly. It's world class. A lot of more paintings to adore. See that. So I'm gonna catch up with you. The next day. So good morning everyone. Welcome to the Chedi Katara here in Doha, Qatar. As you can see, we have an unobstructed view of Katara Beach. And we're just our room by itself is facing the swimming pool with unobstructed views of the traditional boats of Qatari, plus some you can see the shore and the skyline, plus the city view on your left side. So let me take you inside and take a look at the room. We're staying here at a superior room, their basic room. But as you can see, even its basic room, it cost about 1,500 plus per night. And this is what you get. You get a balcony. You get your king-size bed facing the balcony. And you're like, the style of the room, it makes you not want to be distracted of anything else. Because even their television is on the left side. So you're like focused on appreciation. You know, appreciating the nature, appreciating the art. Because the rooms, all the way to the hallways, lobby, even the gym, has a lot of artworks and paintings. So welcome aboard. This is Onella, and I'd like to welcome you all and enjoy this plum adventure with me. So, all right, let's. I'll give you a tour now. Hello, Mom. Hello, Mom Shi.
Hi, Mama.
Small is the best. Friendship Island is pretty good too.
So, it is now sundown. Ngayon pa lang tayo magsiswimming. Alam mo naman tayo, we don't wanna get some sunburns or, you know, the ultraviolet rays. It's really gonna take a toll on your skin. So, dino-double check ko lang. I have here, pinaka-importante. So, the FamBam is already, syempre, advanced sila. Nasa swimming pool na sila. You know, kids, how kids are. Gonna stay as much as possible in the swimming pool. So, it's just a quick walk going to the swimming pool area. I'll catch up with you later, guys. See you. So, hello from the outside. Hello from the outside. There you go. Say hi! Hi, Iris! Hi, Cara! Wow, talagang swim na swim siya. Hanggang dun sa may dulo, no? Hindi malalim. Ito na yon. So hanggang dito lang si Cara. Kaya niya? Ang galing naman mag-swimming! Dapat may mga shots na tayo nung sa infinity pool, sister. Say hi! My vlog! Hello, sister! Naka-swimming na?
Yes.
Tapos na. Okay. And we're back here now. We are inside one of the cabanas here at the, we call it beach, here at the Chedi Katara. As you can see, let me just tilt it a little bit. There you go. And it's an infinity pool. There. See? Facing, it's by the beach. There you go. Very nice. So yes, I'm gonna have a dip by the pool. Quick dip to refresh myself because it's really hot in here right now. Not so. It's now sundown. It's around what, 5? Let's see, yeah. Wow, nice. 5:55 time check. And yeah, we're gonna take a quick dip at the pool, and I'm gonna show you later as I dip. The water is still cold. It is cold. Camera now. Okay, we're good. So nice. So nice around here. I mean, on my left, I can see 4 Seasons, the Pearl. Actually, this pink flamingo that you're seeing now is part of the swimming pool. So we can enjoy them tomorrow. This is our day 2, by the way, of our staycation. Wow.
Hi, this is hash brown, and this is pizza. Cheese pizza.
Wow. There goes our coffee.
Yep.
Hello. Cappuccino. Wow.
The other cappuccino.
Latte? Full latte?
Yeah, full latte.
So good morning everyone. We're here now at the buffet.
Yep.
We're having our breakfast. This is actually our second buffet breakfast, but I was absent yesterday. So I'm here with the family of all seasons. I will show you around later to show you the buffet selection. Dito pala. So guys, there goes my sister. Anong binibenta mo dyan? Pabili po. Joke lang.
Walnuts, dates,
Wow.
dried fruits and nuts, fried fruits,
Wow.
name it.
Siya po ang ambassador ngayon ng The Chedi. Made to order waffle. Ah. The Chedi full fat milk.
Hanggang dinner na yung hanggang.
Oo nga. Ang ganda. Panalo nga yung selection. So there you have it, guys. We are going to take some later. Just showed you a quick look. Diba? Ang ganda na view. Yes. What's inside this, or is it just a plain one?
This inside empty.
Ah, okay.
Empty and beef, biscuit and chicken sweet. Is inside bowl one.
Ah, yes, yes. Okay.
And this one is
It's like pancake style. Okay.
This one is potato paratha, smashed potato make.
I see. Where's the pancake station?
Pancake station is there.
Ah, okay. Alright.
And this one is sambar.
This is like more Indian.
This one is idli.
Ah, okay.
And this one is curry pita.
Ah, okay.
And this one is bilali.
Okay.
And
Perfect.
this one is caviar station.
Oh, caviar. Okay, I think I want some caviar.
Orange or black? Which one would you prefer?
What do you recommend?
Black.
Okay. Or maybe try everything. Or too much.
I give two or both black
Maybe
and orange.
two. Yeah, black and white will do. Perfect. Then it goes well with... yes.
Which would you prefer? Melba toast and believe
I want to try both.
both. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I make.
Yes.
Will make. And there's here is food.
Okay.
And chicken vanilla.
Yes. You have like the creme fraiche for the caviar. Yes, the creme fraiche. Okay,
So is
perfect.
sour cream,
Okay.
parsley, onion, capers, yolk, and white egg.
I will have that. Yes, like in the...
Sige, makikita natin.
Something new yan. Sige. So, guys, this is a first in buffet selection. They have the caviar's treasure. See? Let me read it to you guys. In the glistening waters near Chedi Katara, there resided a sturgeon named Caspian. Ooh, Caspian Sea. Guardian of the Caspian Sea finest pearls. When a fisherman spared him, Caspian's tail spread, inspiring reverence for caviar. So at Chedi Katara, guests tasted the ocean's magic, honoring Caspian's legacy in each shimmering pearl, a testament to harmony and luxury. It's ready. Okay, thank you. Your name, please. Your kind name.
My name is Islam.
Islam. Okay, thank you, Islam. Thank you. Nagpagawa ulit ako. Grabe, ang tagal niya. So, I'm having now, I chose an English breakfast staple. Sausage, beans, hash brown, with a little bit of the Arabic French toast. And the special part, they have the caviar. Folks, sinong gusto mag-try? So, nagpaset ako nung may pancake.
Pareho lang siya.
Magkaibang caviar. Ito yung white, ito yung black.
Ano ba gusto mo yan?
Ito.
Sige.
Sige, try mo na to. Ano pa ako, nakalimutan niya. Buti na lang dumaan ako. Then, ito na. Tatry po muna natin. Taste test. 3 kinds. White, black, and the green one. So, here we are trying...
Sorry?
It's the dessert.
From
Yeah, they
Damascus,
also have
Damascus.
protein
I make my
shake.
major maintenance for 100,000.
See? Strawberry protein shake.
And my chocolate muffin.
You wanna try my strawberry shake?
No, thank you. I'm fine.
Ano,
And
nag-remind?
this is the
Hey,
chocolate
nagtatanong about sa mga
muffin.
maintenance.
It comes
Remind?
chips.
Okay, take a bite.
And
Take a bite now and tell them what it tastes like. Show them what's inside. Like it?
take some chocolate chips. Yeah.
Good. Approve.
Yep.
So that was our second day breakfast at the Chedi at the hotel. It was nice. You have the caviar for the first time. I've experienced a caviar option at the buffet. So now I am walking you through. We're heading to the female locker. I want to show you. It's a showstopper. I mean, there are some parts of the hotel that you will be surprised that they feature this. They have this kind of facility. So as I walk my way there. Okay, this is the male changing room. Of course, I'm targeting the female changing room. It's just beside the gym on your right, a while ago, that we just passed through. So here, it's 2-door. That is like when you go inside, it's just the bathroom first. Okay, it's dim light there. But I love this area because it's so private. Plus the interiors. Look how intricate the woodworks. And how high the ceiling, the mirror. The mirror itself has an arch, arch trimmings, the arch. So it's not just like a plain high mirror. And you have your lockers, which I believe is like rarely used. Having this hotel as very new. Of course, the marble flooring. Outside, you can see it's Katara. For those who have not yet been to Qatar, Katara is a tourist spot. It has beach. It's surrounded by five or more than 5-star hotels because they're like more than 5-star when you go there. Like at the Pearl, you have the St. Regis, etc. And now I'm showing you now the inside the shower area. Which this by itself, if you don't wanna like in your room, you cannot wait anymore with you're like maybe a room full of 4. You can have this. This is what I'm saying to my sister. You can use this after going to the gym and then you take a bath. Now I want to like highlight this part. I'm panning slowly because I am really adoring this space. This by itself, their female changing locker area. It's nice if you're a member, if they have a gym membership. That's the facility you're getting. So now, being a marketing person, not my job, but naturally, I want to check out the elevator because this is where all the foot traffic. So they have here their advertisements, outlets, hotel. The UEFA Euro Cup is ongoing now. This was shot last June 27.
Go for the pink flamingo.
And now, let me just quickly.
Oh, I will.
This is our like before we check out.
Go for it.
After breakfast, we plan to just maximize our stay by just staying at the pool, lounging at the pool area, regardless if it's 10, 11 a.m.
Smile.
It's still good. It's summertime now in Qatar, but as you can see, we're still like, it's okay. It's open. Of course, obviously there's not much people, which we love so much because we have the swimming pool by ourselves and look at the view. We love the pink flamingo, but as you can see on the left side of the beach is the La Marza restaurant. It's Maldivian. It's like you're in Maldives when you dine in there. So sometime around I will when I get the chance to see it, I will focus on that on my next vlog. But this one, yes, we go back now to the Chedi. And this is such a scenery because this kind of view you don't see every day. I mean, it's what makes this place special because you have the city on the right, then you have these boats. They're like they're not moving. It's like a backdrop from a movie, but it's there. It's real, and it's surreal in our feelings. It's wonderful. It's this day was like the full day that we got so energized. Like this is the peak of the fun that we're having during our stay. Of course, the first few days, because this is the third day now, our third day, and we're like having a blast now. This is like, come on, let's just get everything, maximize everything that there is. And it was fun. And yes, of course, are we gonna do it again? Definitely, obviously. So yes, let me just share you more of the live moments. This is me again. We're probably not yet signing off, definitely. Later, you just go watch more. I just want to share you what my thoughts on this, on our stay. But as a whole, our stay here at the Chedi was one of the best. It's one for the books.
Ooh, posing. Yay! Ooh! Yay! Let's try to put it here.
So we are now checking out. It was a rejuvenating 3 days and 2 nights for us. As you can see, we have our tan line. We've gained some tan skin tone here. Yeah. But it's fine. Look at us. We're like sister shades. Headband shades. And your mom also. Yeah. All of us. See? Oh, buy statues. Oh. Say bye statues.
Bye statues.
There.
The statues look really cool.
Yes, they are. And let's go on this side of the lobby. There. You can say bye-bye also.
And there's like the reception.
The reception where? Here. There. Oh, say bye reception.
Bye.
What else?
Now we are gonna and the beach
And the beach.
and the
Okay.
pool.
I think they can see it from here.
Yeah.
A little bit adjustment. There's the boats, by boats.